All right, so we're talking about DEWALT today. This is a great little set to have. It's a drill bit set. Comes with everything you need. I love the black oxide finishing they do on this, and I'll show you why. Um, Big part of this black oxide is it really bites and gets a good bite on your screw heads. So these are not magnetic, but you can see that just holds and stays in there really nice. So you can just throw that screw on your bit, put it in your drill, and get it right in without having to hold it. So really nice. A lot of different sizes in this kit. You're also going to get sockets in here. So you're going to get this bit so that you can attach these sockets to your drill and make work a lot easier for you. And like I said, this finish, I mean, it's nice. Just feels good, you know. It's grippy. It's not going to slip. It's going to last a long time. These sets are great because you get a lot of different bits. You're going to get Phillips, slot head, square bits, star bits, a little bit of everything. It's going to help you get the job done. DeWalt, great tools, great product. They always do it right. And I think if you're looking to have a set, this is easy to snap close, throw in your toolbox, put it in your tool chest, wherever you want to keep it. Easy to access, easy to find exactly what you need to get the job done. And yeah, I think if you're looking for something like this, you're going to be really happy.